at a high level, we have sort of some fairly standard data sources. We take files in from Azure Blob Storage. We get some files from SFTP servers, SQL servers. Generally speaking, as I said, we aren't doing any streaming yet. Maybe in the future we will be, but we're not quite there yet. That's just not where the business is. So we take things in, typically files from these sources or SQL extracts, and then we push them into Azure Databricks, and we really use everything that Databricks has to offer. We use all of the interactive and job clusters and the job scheduler. We use all three of the major languages, or four of the languages if you count SQL, that are supported on Databricks. And then we use all of the kind of managed services around that in Azure. So we've got Azure Data Lake, and we've moved over to Azure Data Lake Gen 2 recently, which is really good. We use container services on the outside, Key Vault. We report using Tableau, which we also just run in Azure. And then of late, we've also added Unravel for monitoring, and I'll talk a little bit about that later on. The other thing is that our outputs, when they're not reporting, typically are also files. So we're not streaming out either, but might change in the future. But we output to SFTP for some of our customers, output to Azure Blob Storage for some of our internal teams as well for some of the things that they do. But the really interesting thing here is we've tried very hard to keep this simple, and we've tried very, very hard to get as much out of Databricks as we possibly can do in this environment.